Barnum Effect. The tendency to accept as true types of information such as character assessments or horoscopes, even when the information is so vague as to be worthless. Like when we see the horoscope of a sun sign or moon sign, which is a generalized prediction. Let us go in history to find out how much we humans fall into the Barnum Effect. The first person that comes to our mind when we try to understand the Barnum Effect is the French astrologer named Nostradamus. Nostradamus became famous in his own lifetime for publishing 942 poetic stanzas which continued to mystify, intrigue, and, frankly, exasperate us to this day. The fact that he wrote in enigmatic poems or quatrains means that his words can be endlessly reinterpreted to fit historical events. This makes trying to assess his accuracy a notoriously tricky thing to do. Let us see some of his prophecies and how they were interpreted by the world after an event occurred. 1. From the depths of the west of Europe, Nostradamus wrote, "A young child will be born of poor people. And what does this child do? He will, by his tongue, seduce a great troop, and his fame will spread far beyond Europe." Another quatrain of possible significance mentions fighting close by the Hister, which is either a loose reference to Hitler or a more mundane mention of the old name of the Danube River. There can be 1,000s of people who would fit this prediction, but as Hitler is most famous, so as per Barnum Effect, this stanza is attributed to Nostradamus' prediction of rise of Hitler. 2. Within 2 cities, Nostradamus wrote, "There will be scourges, the like of which was never seen." That description would certainly apply to what occurred in the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, which were devastated by atomic bombs at the end of World War II. The quatrain paints an increasingly bleak picture, foretelling famine within plague, potentially a reference to radiation sickness and the lasting disruption of war, and people put out by steel, which may point to the planes which dropped the bombs. Now again, there have been many smaller wars, to which this can be attributed if the atomic bombing would not have happened, like currently North Gaza and South Gaza Strip, cities in Ukraine, or there are so many other smaller wars being fought across the world, so this poem can also be attributed to any event. Do we do such specific interpretations for any generalizations in our life which makes us stray of the actual path we should take? Share any such instance you have where such generalizations cost you your time. Please like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.